Everyone, welcome back to A Buzz with your Cuz. Fall is pressing on, the leaves are changing colors, the weather's changing. Are you falling for flannel yet? You know, I was in the store and we've spoken about this trend before. Everybody knows it's a trend, but the seltzers, Bud Light Seltzer Fall Flannel Limited Edition Variety Pack. Look at that. Apple crisp, maple pear, pumpkin spice, toasted marshmallow. Now let me tell you, this is how much I like you guys, the subscribers. So please subscribe if you want to be liked. Like the video. Well, like the video regardless, subscribe regardless. We like everybody. We'll support everybody. How about that? I am supporting you today by trying these seltzers. Not typically something that we would drink, but we are going to give the benefit of the doubt. Anything that says limited edition, I'm automatically in on. And I did have these sitting in the closet for a little bit too long because we had other great stuff. Hopefully you've seen it. If not, tune back in or hit our playlist and run the gamut. Anyway, autumn leaves, pumpkin please. There we go. All right. So let's start it off with Apple Crisp, as that was first on the box. There we go, Apple Crisp. 5% alcohol, 100 calories in here, less than a gram of sugar. First ingredient is water, like any good seltzer. Cold fermented cane sugar, natural flavors, citric acid, malted rice, blah, blah, blah. Okay, Apple Crisp, here we go. Let's see what we got. Actually, it does smell like an Apple Crisp. I mean, the smell is spot on. Let's see what it tastes like. Tastes like seltzer, tastes like apple, and it has a decent aftertaste for seltzer. I didn't drink a lot of seltzer. I'm not even talking about like non-alcoholic, just your regular, black cherry, lemon, lime, orange, whatever seltzer, because it has that heavy bubble aftertaste. This doesn't have that, which is nice. I could probably drink this one. So right now this is number one because it's the first one I drank, so far it's the best. Apple Crisp, not too bad. It does have on the second taste and the third sip a little bit more of that seltzer, but it is a seltzer, so I can't complain, as advertised. All right, Maple Pear. I'm a little afraid of this one. Pear is like a segue right from apple. Apple and pear is pretty similar. Maple and apple, maple and pear is really good, but this is seltzer, so let's see what we got. Once again, less than a gram of sugar in here, 1 carbohydrate, 100 calories. 100 calories, 5% alcohol in the maple pear. All right, hard seltzer. This one smells a little bit more chemically, like chemical, but I'm sorry, added flavor. It smells like added flavors. But you can smell the maple and you can certainly smell the pear. It smells like fresh pear, which is nice. Well, that's a little weird. It's kind of, the flavors are kind of fighting with each other rather than complementing. I wanted to hold that one for a second. Definitely finishes with the pear. The maple's up front. It's not really a smooth transition. So far, apple number one, this one number two. We've tried 2 out of 4, so this is in the top 50% so far. Let's try it out. All right, what do we got now? Yes, pumpkin spice and everything nice. This hopefully will not be basic. Pumpkin spice, just the same as the other one, 5% alcohol, 100 calories, less than a gram of sugar. This one actually says 0 sugar. But, right here in the ingredients, we see it says water, cold fermented cane sugar, natural flavors, stevia leaf extract. All right, so that's probably why it's at 1 carb and 0 sugars. There's probably mostly sweetened with stevia, which somewhat frightens me, even though it's more natural. Okay, let's crank this thing open and see what we got. This I can tell you right off the bat, I do not like the smell of in the can. So I'm glad I'm not pouring these into glasses, which I would normally do. I don't like really drinking out of the thin cans so much, but that's okay. It's for you guys, remember how much I care. Not my favorite. This could be mixed with something though. Yeah, this has a very strange aftertaste to it. I can't in good faith recommend this. This is number 3 so far. So they've lined up. We've taken Apple 1, Maple Pear 2, Pumpkin Spice 3. So we're 75% of the way through. So this isn't the top third. What are you gonna do? Pumpkin Spice, not my favorite. What do we have left? Oh, here we are. Toasted Marshmallow, also quite frightening for a seltzer, but hey, it's the same shtick. 5% alcohol, 100 calories, toasted marshmallow. What do we got here? Okay, same gig, stevia leaf extract, same ingredient list. So this is probably gonna have that same wonky taste that the pumpkin spice had, but we won't know until we open it, so let's do that. This actually smells like toasted marshmallow. We're off to a much better start than the pumpkin spice, which did not taste like it was gonna be good. This tastes like, they should probably put chocolate toasted marshmallow in here because it has like a chocolate up front, but then it finishes with the kind of a toasted marshmallow. So this is probably right now, I'm gonna say I'm gonna have to figure out 2 and 3 here. Okay. Yep, still number 2. This is number 3, toasted marshmallow. This is a surprise. When I opened this box, I said, this is gonna be the worst. Number 3 out of 4. So yeah, these flavors are as advertised. So shockingly enough, the pumpkin spice is the biggest letdown. And you guys know I love pumpkin. Pumpkin whiskey, pumpkin moonshine, pumpkin pie, pumpkin beers. We love all things pumpkin, except for the Bud Light pumpkin spice seltzer. I think that with a little bit of tweaking, it could be a passable drink. Heck, it could be number 2 one day. Because I wasn't so sure about the Maple Pear until I tried the pumpkin spice, and then I realized the Maple Pear is actually pretty good. I think I said pumpkin pear, but it's Maple Pear. The green can, this guy. Better than that guy. So there you have it. The Fall Flannel Collection, Bud Light seltzers. Everybody's making seltzers. Not everybody should, but everybody should subscribe to our channel. Everybody should like this video. Comment below, would you drink any of these? Have you drank any of them? I saw that there's also a Christmas pack coming out. I'm a little frightened of it, but because I like you guys, if we get enough activity on this video, enough views, I will fall on the sword and I will do those Christmas seltzers because you asked me to. So again, comment below. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? I don't know. I'm still kind of like, yeah, on these. I mean, I get it for the summertime on the beach and the pool, and you're trying to keep it lean and mean for, while it's warm outside. I don't know if we need fall seltzers, but they're here. We tried them, we've rated them. Apple Crisp number 1, Maple Pear number 2, Toasted Marshmallow number 3, and leading the pack of the losers, the Pumpkin Spice. And that's it, Bud Light. We'll see you next week. Well, we'll have something a little bit different and hopefully a lot more punch. So catch a buzz with your cuz. If you're over 21 or whatever the legal drinking age is in your municipality, have a great holiday, enjoy your fall, and look forward to the next week.